Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the US Census Bureau Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect structured census table data directly from data.census.gov. This is useful for demographic research, policy analysis, market research, and any project that relies on official census statistics. This actor uses the US Census Bureau's public API to search for census tables by keyword. It returns full table metadata, variable definitions, geographic coverage, and the actual statistical values. This means you're getting authoritative census data without scraping web pages or manually downloading tables. So, how does it work? To get started, you only need to provide a search query and the maximum number of items you want scraped. The search query is a keyword or phrase describing the data you're looking for. For example, population, education, income by state, etc. The actor returns all census tables that match this query. You can optionally filter results by dataset. This lets you focus on sources like the American Community Survey, Decennial Census, Economic Census, or population estimates. This is helpful if you already know which census program you want to use. You can also filter tables by geography level. This includes nationwide data, states, counties, or cities. In this example, I'm searching for population tables in the year 2021. Now, you can run the actor once or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor cook up its magic. When the run finishes, each census table appears in this dataset table in the Output tab. You'll see the table ID, title, survey name, year, geography, and the actual data values. The output is designed to be machine readable and analysis ready. You can also download the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, and use it for demographic studies, policy evaluation, market research, or feeding BI tools and dashboards. The US Census Bureau Scraper is ideal for anyone who needs reliable, up-to-date census data without manual searching for downloads. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we appreciate a review. Thank you.